Hi all, Ben McCulloch from Martogg here, and today I'm with Jason Meaden, who is Martogg's marPET Operations Manager, so for food grade recycled PET. Jason, in our recent three-part video series, we delved into the Vacurema technology and what's involved in taking post-consumer PET waste and converting it back into FDA resin. Today I want to take a step back and look at some of the processes and tests involved in taking this hot wash flake prior to it going back into this process. So can you tell us a little bit about what you're actually doing?
Yeah, thanks man. So for what we do, obviously we have the technology over here to make food grade recycled PET, but a key thing that we need to understand is that we are only as good as the raw materials that we put in. So a key thing that we do with raw materials that come in, we do raw material tests, a variety of tests to make sure that they meet the quality protocol standards. But the main test that we do is an oven test. So we put these flakes, regrind in the oven. What we try to pick up is contamination. So that level of contamination is obviously then quantified, and then we make sure that it's all right for this machine to be processed through. Obviously the machine has flake specifications. Then we obviously need to make sure that these requirements are obviously met with the raw materials that we put in. So the machine and the technology that we have is good enough to let us know that if there is something that's abnormal, or
so if we see contamination, it will pick up.
We'll pick it up. But obviously we don't want to get to that point.
Yep.
You know, we want to see this before it goes in. That's why we make it an objective to obviously do random audits on the raw materials that we come in. Every raw material that's approved and that we get in, we obviously do tests on them before we give them the okay. So it's very important that we are all on top of this.
Yep.
Because any slight contamination affects our color, affects our quality, affects our integrity.
Yep.
So we want to maintain the highest quality possible. So that's why when we think of marPET, we want to also think about the raw material side of things and sourcing the best possible raw materials out there so that we can have the best input that goes through the machine.
Yeah, fantastic. No, it's really great to understand that process, and it goes to show you that it's more than just this technology behind it.
Exactly.
In terms of guaranteeing a high quality material. Fantastic. Thanks all.